Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra may finally have the brightest smartphone display ever, and it is going to be even more brighter than the brightest phone currently available, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will have a maximum brightness of 2150 nits compared to 1750 of the S22 Ultra, and according to the tipster, Samsung might increase the peak brightness to at least 2100 nits with a maximum brightness of 2200 nits or higher. The rumors also said that Samsung will be utilizing the latest version of the Gorilla Glass for the S23 Ultra screen, and it's going to have the absolute top-notch protection performance when it comes to drops and scratches. Samsung will reportedly use an overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset to power the upcoming Galaxy S23 series, instead of cutting the clock speed of the chip's ultra-high-performance Codex-X3 Prime core at 3.2 GHz, the version of the component that will be found under the hood of all Galaxy S23 units. Is rumored to have a Cortex-X3 core running as fast as 3.32 GHz. The Cortex-X3 core will deliver up to 25% greater performance than the Codex-X2 ARMS, says the Codex-X custom program enables customization and differentiation beyond the traditional roadmap of ARM Cortex products. Traditionally, Samsung has powered the Galaxy S line with its own Exynos chips everywhere except the US, Canada and China. There's some news today about Samsung's special version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. While TSMC will be produced in the regular variant of the chipset, it seems that Samsung Foundry will be manufacturing the overclocked version of the chip design for its own phones. A tweet from Twitter tipster RG Clouder says that there are two versions of the chipset. Version AB is made by Samsung using his phone nanometers LP process, while the AC variant is produced using TSMC's N4P process. Now Codex-X is a custom chip program from ARM that close partners can design and request to meet target. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.